Hi garden friends, happy Saturday. So I'm out here about to make a succulent arrangement, and this is a pretty big Hypertufa planter that I made a while ago, and I'll show you the sides. It's pretty deep, really pretty. It's about 9 inches wide, so I can fit a lot of succulents, and I'll show you the plants that I have planned for it. I have an Echeveria dusty rose. Check that out. You can see why they call it a dusty rose. It totally looks like a rose, and it's pink. Oh, it's like a frosty pink. Beautiful succulents. I also have a Crassula silver dollar. Very beautiful. They're like dotted leaves, and the margins get dark red in the summer and the winter season. Super pretty, nice and tall, thick stem. Very strong plants. Also have Echeveria Colorata, another beautiful plant. You can see those margins are nice and pink, and it looks like it's kind of sharp to the touch, but they're soft. The tips, super pretty, minty green with pink. So that's an Echeveria Colorata. I have three cute Sempervivums. Very pretty, super dense rosettes, lots of leaves. They make a lot of pups. I also have this gorgeous, this is a Cotyledon bear paw, and this happens to be a variegated one. So the variegated ones are lime green, they're kind of yellow with the pink tips on them. Super beautiful. The normal ones are just green, and the tips get dark brown instead of pink. Very delicate though, so I'm not trying to mess with them too much. I have two clusters there. I also have a small Echeveria lilacina. Super beautiful. Tons of farina on this one. Very, very beautiful rosette. That's an Echeveria lilacina. And the last one here, this is an Echeveria elegans or Mexican snowball. Prolific, super prolific. You get tons of pups out of just one plant. Chubby, super round. I love them. I love the color. I love green succulents mostly. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this planter with soil, and I'm gonna put the screen at the bottom of it because that drainage hole is pretty big. So I don't want like a snail crawling in or anything like that. Gonna get some soil, and hopefully I have enough. I'm gonna fill this whole thing up to the top. And this is just regular potting soil that I've added perlite to. Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have enough, more than enough. Okay, so I'm just gonna top it off. Pretty good. And I will start with the tall one, the silver dollar. So let me make a well. I'm gonna put it like in the back right here. It's pretty tall. So I'm gonna make sure that I bury it nice and deep. There we go. I'm gonna press it in. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna anchor it down by pressing on the soil around it so it won't move. And I will put the bear paw around this one. So I have two clusters, so let's see. I'm gonna put one here. And I'll put the other one on the other side. gonna make a deeper hole here because I want all of the roots submerged under there. I don't want them sticking out. Okay, that's better. Gonna lift those bottom leaves up while I anchor it down with the soil. These are very hard to clean when you get them full of soil because they're fuzzy. They've got like hair on them, so they really catch the soil, and you gotta like really like brush them off. And because they're so delicate, if you brush them too hard, they just fall. So try not to get your bare paws dirty. I know that's hard to do. Oh, right. And I've got this huge dusty rose. I will put that one maybe in the center. Yeah, center stage. Why not? It's a big one. Let me move my Sempervivums. Okay. Let's see. How should I nestle this one? Okay. Because you want it to face a certain way. Or at least I do. To me, the rosettes have a little face on them, and I want them to face a certain direction. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. Looking good. Gonna add a little bit of more soil around. Some of it has fallen down on my bench there. Okay. Oh, right. Okay. Let's see if I can fit everything else. That's always a challenge. Will I fit everything? Okay. So I've got this. Oh, yeah. That would look good right there. So the Colorata would look good there. And the Lilacina will look good there. Then I would put the Elegans there, and maybe the cluster there. Okay, I think I've made up my mind. And I think that I planted this Crassula a little to the, I should have planted it a little more towards the back. That was my mistake, but hey, it's done. I'm not gonna take it out just because I don't want to mess with the bear paw because it's just so delicate, like I've said before. I want to keep repeating myself, but yeah, I'm gonna avoid messing with that. I'm gonna get this Colorata and I'm gonna nestle it right in there. Get those roots in. Anchor it down with my soil there. Beautiful. I'm gonna grab my Sempervivums and I'm going to cluster them on this side. I'm just gonna I'm gonna balance them off. So I'll do like this little cluster here, and then I may do one like right here. Just scatter them a little. I think it'll look better. It'll balance out the plants, if that makes any sense. Hey, everyone has their own way of arranging, plants. So I'm gonna hold them together, place them in that little well there, and their roots are shallow, so I'm not gonna bury them too deep in there. So I'm just gonna hold them there. I'm gonna get some more soil for the back right over there. There we go. And same thing with the Sempervivums. They are also fuzzy. They've got a little hair on their leaves, so when they get dirty, it's hard to get them clean, but oh well. These were already pretty dirty. Okay, And like I said, I think I'm going to put another one right here. Kind of towards the rim there. And I'm going to kind of pull my Dusty Rose a little more towards the rim and give these bear paws a little more breathing space. Okay, perfect. All right, it's pretty good. Okay, looking good. Now for, so I've got this one right here. But I also have this Lilacina, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to pull it off. Unless I put this Lilacina towards the back and the Elegans right here. But then you can't really see the Lilacina. Well, I really like the Mexican Snowball there, but let's see how. You see, that's too much pink for me. Pink and pink. I think I need some green here. So I'm gonna settle for the Mexican Snowball. Right on this spot. Make my whale. Push that soil back to where it was. Grab some more soil and fill that space there. No. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good, and I think I'm gonna settle without the Lilacina. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, and I'm gonna start cleaning this off, and I'm gonna add some stones to it. So I'll just clean the rim. And grab my little blower here and try to blow some of that soil from the middle of the succulents. It's a good tool to have. And try to clean that Sempervivum off. Ah! That didn't work. Okay. I'm just going to be very careful with this bear paw and just brush it as gently as I can without completely destroying them. And that's good enough for me. Now I'm going to add some stones. I'm going to start at the back and I'm going to press them down. And I use the stones just to make it look pretty. Don't really use it for any other reason. Lift those bottom leaves up and squeeze some stones under them. Start working on my way down this way. Even in this little hole there, I'm gonna grab my knitting needle and kind of push some of those stones into the hole there. That's a big one. There's a smaller one there. Get the bigger ones out. Whoop. Okay, did I get a stone in there somewhere? Okay. I'm not trying to make this dusty rose. Squeeze in. Okay. There we go. Work with me here. Almost done. Cool. All right. When you add the stones, it's much easier to dust everything off. So maybe I should do that after. So maybe I should do this after. Then I start filling in the little holes that I didn't see. I'm kind of like a perfectionist. I get crazy with the stones. But it's fun. That worked out very nicely. Press those stones in so they won't be like mounding up. Make it look part of the arrangement. Oh, that looks so awesome. I really like it. Yeah, worked out. I mean, other than not getting the Lilacina in, but I'm not sure where it would have fit in this arrangement, you know? I got a little too ambitious there, but hey, it was worth a try. Well, it's the end of this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy Saturday. I hope you've already gone out and made a little arrangement or played in your garden or done something creative. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.